Power blender. 1.5L super durable glass blending jug with handle and pour spouts, equipped with stainless steel blades, and 2 powerful blending settings, plus pulse. Versatility. The perfect blender for your kitchen. Make coffee drinks, desserts, frozen cocktails, shakes, soups, smoothies, and even snow cones with a Quest blender. Safe, stable and easy to clean. Non-slip feet for stability, while the durable blending jug is dishwasher safe. Dial it in. Easy to use illuminated control dial blends in a single step, with low, high and pulse settings. Cut the mess. The lid prevents splatters while blending and allows for easy ingredient additions throughout the entire process. The Quest blender is the perfect everyday countertop blender for making delicious smoothies, soups, and more. The blender's dial illuminates when plugged in for 2 easy settings, plus a third setting to pulse, and the powerful motor gives smooth results every time. The 1.5L glass jar is durable and dishwasher safe, and the handle and pour spout makes serving directly out of the blender easy. Stainless steel blades won't dull over time, and the stainless exterior looks great in any kitchen. The 1.5L capacity makes the Quest blender the perfect blender for everyday cooking. Top reviews from the United States. Works great, love the color. Our new home we purchased has gray walls, so I wanted to accent with some different colors, and I love the color of this blender. It works great for blending smoothies, shakes, soups. We have even put veggies in to blend to hide in my son's food. The blades are very sharp and chop through ice easily. The glass blending jug is easy to clean. I just pop it in the top rack of the dishwasher. The plastic cover for the little hole is not dishwasher safe. My husband put it in the top rack of the dishwasher and it cracked and can no longer be used. I have not yet looked for a replacement. I just cover it with something else when I am blending to prevent splatter. The lid also cleans nicely, and I put that and the base in the dishwasher. I have not had any problems with the seal getting moldy. I also put that in the dishwasher in the silverware rack on the door. It has not leaked at all. It came very well packaged with lots of protection for the glass jug. It also came with an instruction recipe booklet. It is very reasonably priced and would make a great gift for any chef, for a wedding gift, or a housewarming gift.